Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Lelit Espresso machine, and this was brought in because the customer reported not enough pressure for steam or hot water to come out of the hot water wand, and we had found that the boiler safety valve and the breaker valve on top of the boiler had gone bad, and they were allowing too much pressure to be released through them. See, one just closes entirely, that's the safety, and then the vacuum release has a spring in it and it allows only a certain amount of pressure in the boiler. I think it's about 1.8 bar, and then it'll release any pressure that goes above 1.8, and then that way it maintains its pressure. And so we replaced both of those, and then we also noticed that the group head gasket was rock hard, and so it wasn't getting a good seal with the portafilter. And so we did a tune-up and then replacing the brew screen, descaling and clean the E61 group, and now it's working great. So we're going to test it. Got some coffee in here. There we go. Pressure's reading well. Looking good. A little fast. I put about 14 grams in here, but I feel like I probably could have gone up to 18. But looking good nonetheless. We'll stop there, and now we'll test some of the other features like the steam. Powerful steam. You can see the bar. We were about 1.8. Now we're about at 1. Still strong. You know, if we got steam pressure, then we've got hot water pressure, but we'll do this. Hear the pump kicking on, so you know the water level probe is functioning and starts to pump. Alright, there it is. Lelit working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.